What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down in this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today is Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth to everybody that celebrates. Hat Club is actually dropping their very first Juneteenth pack today. It's dropping today at 2 p.m. Eastern on hatclub.com. So make sure y'all check out the website. Of course, I have one of the hats to show y'all. And if you know me, you know which one I had to bring home. The Yankees was the no-brainer out of the pack for me, especially once I learned the hook and what the hat was inspired by, which I'm of course gonna break down for y'all. And I'm gonna throw some pins on this joint. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's start with the basics, of course. This is a two-tone Yankees hat. It looks like stone on the crown, black visor, black button to match, black Yankees front logo, just a solid black Yankees front logo. It's clean, it's crisp. The eyelets on this joint, I do think, are a different color. Take a look at that and let me know what you think. Those definitely have kind of like a silver gray vibe to them, while the crown itself, of course, is stone. The patch is really where things start to come alive, where things start to get interesting. We have that World Series 1998 patch. There's a lot of orange in this patch, a little bit of red to kind of outline that orange, give it a little bit of a shadow. There's a little bit of green, a little bit of yellow, white as the outline, as well as white on the text. Flat batterman on the back, black in the center, yellow on one side, red in the opposite corner. No tonal New Era flag on this joint. It's black, red, and green, the Juneteenth colors. I normally do like a tonal New Era flag, but because this is a holiday hat, it's a celebration hat, I will make an exception. There is some Hat Club branding on the inside, and this hat was made in China, for those of y'all that are wondering. I did mention that this hat had a hook, so let's talk about that while I steam it, curve it, and get it ready so that I could wear it today. So this Yankees is inspired by Spike Lee's Do the Right Thing, which is not only a classic black movie, but it's also a New York movie. Almost the whole movie takes place on one block in Bed-Stuy. So for my pins, I pulled out all the pins that remind me of New York. A Yankees logo made of flowers from Differently Uptown, and a black woman with the Afro puff rocking a Yankees hat. This pin is also from Differently Uptown. The tricky part about pins is figuring out where you want to place them. I only have two today, so it shouldn't be too difficult. I think I'm gonna place her right here in that like natural crease in the side patch. I feel like that'll look good. I usually like to throw this pin on the back of my hat, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Not gonna switch anything up. If it works, it works. So I'm gonna throw this right above the batterman. Here's the second one, and that Yankees logo has like a couple of different oranges in there, some yellows, some greens, so the colors really accent the side patch. You gotta coordinate, gotta make it make sense. The brim is a little bit too curved, so I'm gonna pull out the sides. Once you curve your hat, you can always adjust it how you like, so I'm gonna pull out the sides a little bit. And there it is. So that is the Hat Club Juneteenth Yankees. Make sure y'all go check it out. And if you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. I would really appreciate it. And I will check y'all out in the next one.